is from a company called Blooming Bee, and I love anything with bees, me being a honey and all. But this is Blooming Bee planet-friendly products. They shipped this to me for me to try out. My opinions are my own. I love bamboo products personally. These are reusable makeup removers. So if you don't know, oh, these are cool. Oh man, they're really, really soft. Oh, you should feel how soft these are. So usually I'll use the makeup removers. We'll use the little cotton ones, but they're disposable and it's kind of wasteful. But what's cool about these is that they're reusable. So they're made of bamboo and cotton. Let me see how much, I'll tell you exactly. Made from 55% bamboo and 45% cotton. What's cool about these is they are reusable, but how do you wash them? Well, the company has a solution for that. They have a little bag in here, so you can just throw them in the bag and then you can throw them in your laundry. So now you have a little extra bag for delicates as well as your makeup removers. And it also comes with this planet-friendly products. It tells you how to use them, what the use is. It gives you some notes in here. And also it comes with cotton tips. So you've got 100 sticks of cotton tips for your ears or art projects or whatever you want to use them for. But this is really cool. I mean, this is a great planet-friendly. This is eco-friendly, which I love. And of course, there's a bee on it.